really in arts advocacy is in the experience that people have. And this building plays a huge role in creating that experience for students.
So for the Center for Visual and Performing Arts, it's going to serve as both a hub for community events as well as showcase Arlington ISD's strong theater program.
So we have 3 facilities that can be used for community events. The first being the art gallery. The other space is where we're sitting now, which is Robert G. Copeland Concert Hall. And this is live performances, choir, orchestra, band. And this space in itself is optimized for acoustics. And then the third space is the studio theater. That space is for more theatrical performances, dance recitals. That space is very intimate. It has the massive video wall in there that can be used for digital backdrops.
I want students to have a first-rate experience here so they take that with them for the rest of their lives. When they walk out of here, no matter what's thrown at them, they'll recognize that and say, oh yeah, we did that when I was in high school, we did that. We need to make sure that they're prepared for those experiences that they would have. And the only way to do that is to give them first-rate technology.
We needed the ability to quickly transform the space, and we couldn't always do that with physical sets. The LED backdrop helps do that digitally so that the space can be reconfigured in an instant.
This space means a lot to me. It's my senior year, and so getting to have a place where we can come together with our middle schools and teach people and show people what choir and music is all about is really cool.
Being able to perform on the stage is just an amazing opportunity. The screen that we're using, we have our quotes from a lot of our students in the show, and so we get to have that up there, which is really cool.
So when we looked at the needs that we were going to have within the facility, these really massive screens, we needed great brightness, we needed all kinds of flexibility. We knew that Absen LEDs was going to be one of the only providers that could give us really what we needed.
Absen has enhanced the environment here by providing products that bring the facility up to the level of a professional facility. So a student artist can perform on a stage that they would find in any professional venue with that level of quality.
What Absen has brought in here is just mind-blowing. This speaks volumes about Arlington Independent School District and about what our students have right now.
You're limited only by your imagination when you have these kinds of resources at your disposal. It's just, what can I come up with? So we think there are big things coming.